Open your heart. If you put a handful of salt in a bowl of water, the water will become salty. But if you put that handful of salt in a river, the river will always be sweet. This is not just a simple comparison. It is a profound lesson about how we can expand our hearts and souls. A wide open heart. Open your heart. Let it be as vast as the river. When you do this, you will always retain your sweetness, no matter what happens around you. Sweetness comes not only from the good things you experience, but also from how you respond to difficulties and challenges in life. When you allow yourself to love and accept imperfection, you will find that life becomes richer and more meaningful. Positive mindset. To maintain an open heart, you need to work on keeping a positive mindset. This can be achieved through daily habits. One of the most effective ways is to meditate. Put your phone on airplane mode and wear headphones to help you meditate with the best efficiency and quality. Meditation not only helps you find peace within, but also allows you to connect more deeply with yourself and the world around you. Prayer and gratitude. An important part of opening your heart is prayer and expressing gratitude. The law of attraction is one of the most universal and powerful laws of the universe. Just like the Earth's gravity, this law is always at work in your life, at this very moment. You are always in a state of creation. Every moment of your life, you are creating your reality. Creating your reality. You are creating your future with your thoughts, whether consciously or subconsciously. If you always focus on the good and positive things in life, you will automatically attract more good and positive things into your life. Take time each day to acknowledge the things you are grateful for. Simple things like a beautiful morning, a warm cup of tea, or support from those around you can bring joy and satisfaction to your life. Opening your heart is not just an action, it is a continuous process. It requires patience, practice, and an open soul. Remember that, like the river, you can keep your heart sweet, regardless of the challenges life brings. Let love and gratitude guide you, and you will find life becoming more beautiful than ever.